Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Instagram without them knowing. Now, traditionally, if you block someone, they cannot find your profile, your messages may disappear from their inbox. So it's quite a blatant way of blocking someone. And they will for sure know whether you've blocked them or not. All they have to do is to check and they will get to know that you've blocked them. But if you don't want them to get notified or you want to subtly block them, well, there is an option on Instagram. First up, I'll show you how you can block them traditionally. Just go ahead and search for their profile, click on it, click on the three dots on the top right and click on block. Once you do this, their profile blocked, but this is the traditional way of doing it, where they will come to know if they search around. Now, what you have to do in order to, block them without them knowing is quickly I'll unblock this profile and show you once again. So again, come to their profile, click on the three dots on the top right corner and click on restrict. It's the first option right here. Just click on restrict again. And once you do this, it is a subtle way of blocking someone. It's very discreet, which means it will benefit you. And their comments will be hidden from others, their messages will go into message requests, and they cannot see whether you're active or even read your messages. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can block someone on Instagram without them knowing. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.